Hello dear watch friends, welcome to another video, and today I will present you this guy. That's my new crystal press tool, which I bought on Amazon. Links is in the description if you are interested in this piece. The link is in the description. Now we have here a stable crystal press. This is a screw style press, which you can control the power. This is very important, which you can control the power when you press a glass. Now I will demonstrate in this case how it works. Now this came, this part, with a lot of dies. This is plastic dies, which you can choose every size, and the sizes are here. For example, is 43 mil, and this is a 45 die. And this piece of aluminum parts was pre-installed. I don't know for which shop this is. Or in my case, is it? No idea. Now I will press this glass. The material of this press, crystal press, is, I believe it's aluminum alloy, and the two parts are stainless steel. This part is screwed with 2 screws, and here is a gap, and I don't know, when you press with heavy power, if this bend or not. That's, I don't know. At the time will say if this is good or not. Now I will demonstrate you. I will put this crystal. This is an example, and I must that's good for the bottom. Now a fit size for the crystal, 42, 41. 41 is good. It's covered the crystal completely. You can also use a glove to prevent the crystal or the case back from scratches, but in this case, this is an old case. It's not so bad. not so. So now I control if these parallel, and then I press a little bit and then turn a little bit and press, and so 4 or 5 steps, so you can control the press. And now I believe it's finished, and this is a perfect result. The glass is perfect pressed. And now what I mean, when you press with very full force, these maybe bend it. I don't know. You can fit here a little bit a part of metal or plastic, hard plastic, then it's very then it's supporting. Then you don't bend it. So guys, that was the review of the Crsytal press. I have with grease treated these part, and here is a support for the hand wheel. It's a beautiful, very beautiful watch tool. If you like this video, you can support me when you hit the subscribes and like button. And I hope the video was helpful for you, and see you on next video. Bye.